I wanted to record this for you to show you what's happening with the phone and the ring. I don't have a second phone to record, where the ring is, but the ring is not on my finger right now. It's sitting next to the phone, and as you can see, it's connected to the app. It says connected. It knows what the battery percentage is. It knows what the firmware number is. Pay attention to those numbers there, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the ring on my finger, and you're going to see that it's going to disconnect in just a few seconds. So now I've put the ring on my finger, and we're just going to wait a few seconds, and within about 10 seconds, the ring will disconnect from the phone. So there you go, disconnected. The battery percentage is gone. It's no longer connected. It's searching, and the firmware number has disappeared. So now I'm going to take the ring off my finger. I'm going to lay it down next to the phone, and you can't see this, but there were two green lights flashing when I took the ring off my finger. I don't know if that helps you or not, but I thought I'd mention it. Now, if we just wait a little bit, this takes longer. It takes longer to reconnect than connect, but the ring is just sitting next to the phone. It's not in the case, not in the charger, but that will connect. It takes a little bit longer, so I'm going to keep talking so you know that you can see this in real time. You know that this has not been edited, but I am just waiting here. Probably takes about 20 seconds, maybe 30 seconds, but the ring will reconnect once it's off my finger, and you'll see the battery percentage come back, the connected message will come back, the firmware number will come back, with the ring just sitting there in the same spot it was sitting before. So we're just going to wait here. Shouldn't be too much longer. Should just be just another few seconds. And it's searching and searching, but pretty soon it will reconnect all by itself here any second now. I'm just waiting. It will happen. Just waiting for it to reconnect. So it's very strange. I had originally told you that the ring only connected when it was in the case, and that's what it looked like to me. But then I discovered that even if the ring was just sitting on the table next to the phone, it connects to the app. It doesn't have to be in the case. The problem seems to be that when I put it on my finger, all of a sudden it disconnects. Otherwise, it'll connect, and it'll stay connected. It won't drop the connection until I put the ring on my finger. So this is taking a little bit longer than it normally does, but this will reconnect. There you go. I'm not wearing the ring right now. It's not in the case. It's sitting on the table, and here is the percentage. You can see it's connected. The firmware comes back. So this is very strange. The only time the ring won't connect is when it's on my finger. And it used to work perfectly until I put my phone into airplane mode. And I see on this page here, there seems to be some connection between airplane mode and Bluetooth. So I'm not sure if this is related, but for some reason the connection stopped working last week when I put my phone into airplane mode, because I was on a flight. I did not have my charger with me because the battery on the ring was about 100%, and I was only going to be gone for a few days. So I did not bring the charger. So I did not put the ring in airplane mode. When I landed and took the phone out of airplane mode, problems started. The ring would not reconnect. And I've had problems ever since. So that was about a week ago, right before Thanksgiving. So there seems to be some sort of connection between Bluetooth and airplane mode, and that's why I think that's what caused the problem, but obviously you guys know more than I do. So just wanted to send that to you. Hopefully this helps you troubleshoot it. If there's something I can do, let me know. Otherwise, I'll be happy to send the ring back to you. I'm very happy with the ring. I love it. I've not had any problems with it, and I find it very, very useful, all the information. This is the first problem I've had with it, so that's very disappointing. One thing I did not try was I did not remove the device. I was afraid to do that. I didn't know if that would cause any problems or I would lose any data. So if you want me to try that, I can try that. You can remove it and then reconnect it. Not sure if that'll help, or if there's something on the app that maybe I could try. I didn't know if there was a hard reset on the ring to send it back to like factory settings and start over. I'll be happy to try that as well. I hopefully, though, don't want to lose any of my data. But anyway, that's what's happening. Let me know if this is helpful, if you'd like me to try anything else. Otherwise, please send me the shipping label, and I'll be happy to send the ring back to you. Thanks.